we are, day 2. We're almost finished right here to turn this over to the family, and they're looking happy. We're all happy. We're ready to go. We're motivated to get this done.
Okay, I know what to do. How about this? This might help you the most.
All right, so here we are on day 2 of the home build right behind us. Yesterday was just a pile of lumber, and now we have an actual house. So today we're putting the finishing touches on it, and in just a few hours, we're gonna hand the keys over to the family, and they're gonna be able to walk into their brand new house for the first time, close and lock the door, and be safe and secure right here in Mexico.
Thank you for everything. I'm really happy to be able to spend this time with you guys.
Nunca imaginé que iba a pasar.
I never imagined that it would happen.
Me gustó mucho ayudar con todo.
I really liked also helping with everything.
Me hace mucho los pasteles para ustedes.
I really loved making the cakes for you guys
Enseñarles a hacer.
and teach you guys how to make the cakes.
Estoy muy feliz.
I'm really, really happy,
Y gracias por todo.
and so thank you for everything.
Yo les quiero dar gracias
I want to say thank you
por la oportunidad de trabajar con ustedes,
for the opportunity to work with you all,
de conocer a personas tan hermosas.
to meet such beautiful people.
Nunca imaginé
I never imagined it.
trabajar con gente así
I never imagined working with people like you. So thank you,
y no se rindan.
and don't ever give up.
Su sueño es ser un soldado.
His dream is to be a soldier.
Ya. Él los mira con mucha admiración.
So he really admires soldiers, and so he really wants to be one.
Well, it's tough for me because I get real emotional, and it all boils down to Jesus Christ, right? What He did on the cross for us, and being the head household of this family, it gets tough sometimes, And as we get the ride and I'm working and I'm like, man, God, how long is it going to take for me to be able to build something for my family, Because I know that I've been called to a ministry of reaching out to people that lost, And so God's been dealing with me these last few weeks, And He says, cast all your worries upon me, all your burdens and everything. And I try to take my wives and my kids' burdens on to me and then deliver them to Jesus,
Nunca voy a olvidar lo que hicieron por nosotros.
I'm never gonna forget what you guys did for us.
Y tal vez tenían otros planes,
And maybe you had other plans,
pero prefirieron venir a ayudar a la gente que necesita.
but you came down to help people that needed it.
Y Eso me motiva a mí también a ayudar a otras personas.
And that motivates me to go out and help other people.
Quiero decirles que no los voy a olvidar.
And I want to tell you that I'm never gonna forget you.
Siempre va a haber un espacio aquí para ustedes.
And there's always room here for you guys.
Muchas gracias.
And so thank you.
Muchas gracias.
So thank you to everybody.
No puedo decir que era un sueño porque ni siquiera imaginé recibir algún milagro así.
I can't even say that it was a dream because I never even imagined receiving something like this.
Lo miro como un milagro.
I see it as a miracle.
Gracias.
So thank you.
Pero el sueño que sí nos acaban de cumplir.
But the dream that just came true,
Bueno, a los niños.
well, the kids,
Es ir a una tienda y comprar todo lo que quisieran.
is to go to a store and be able to buy everything that they wanted.
Pero es muy chistoso porque tenía años que no íbamos a esa tienda.
And it was funny because we have had years have gone by since we've gone to that store.
Cuando vivíamos cerca de esa tienda
When we lived close to that store,
teníamos mucha necesidad.
we were in a lot of need.
Yo era madre soltera de 2 niños
She was a single mom of 3 older kids,
y siempre íbamos a la tienda muy limitados.
and we would always go to the store very limited.
Y ellos siempre decían que un día querían ir y que yo les dijera que agarrar lo que quisieran.
And we always they always said that they wanted to go one time and be able to take whatever they wanted.
Pero siempre orábamos y Dios proveía lo que necesitaban.
But we always prayed and the Lord would always provide exactly what we needed.
Y hoy ellos lo miraron.
And today they were able to see that.
Estaban en esa tienda
They were in that store
después de muchos años
after a lot of years,
comprando lo que quisieran.
buying whatever they wanted.
So, muchas gracias.
So thank you to everybody.